What is up YouTube? Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to remove the eBrake for the WRX or STI. So pretty much the only thing you need for this is a heat gun to warm up the glue and the eBrake to make it easier to come off. So now I'm going to go ahead and warm up the eBrake handle to loosen it up. So as you guys can see, slowly but surely it's working. Boom, it's off. So this is what it'll look like when the eBrake, the rubber eBrake thing is off. And now what we have to do is take off this button, which is really simple, and I'll show you how to do it right now. So what I'm gonna be using to take off the eBrake button is a microfiber towel and a pair of vice grips. Now if you don't care about this eBrake button and you're not going to reuse it at all, you can go ahead and take your vice grips and just go ahead and turn at it, but I'm going to try to salvage it, put this microfiber towel over it, and then twist this off. So I tried to reuse the eBrake, but that wasn't happening. It was kind of a pain to take off, so I ended up damaging it. I'm not going to reuse it. If I do part out, I'll just buy a new eBrake set. So now once you have everything off, you want to go ahead and put your new eBrake on. Now this is the carbon fiber eBrake in all black from SubiSpeed. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this on, and you want to make sure, if you have the same one as me, is the thick spot right here is at the bottom, so it's going in first. So go ahead and slide that on and push it all the way down. And now what my eBrake handle did is come with screws and an Allen wrench like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the eBrake. So now all we have left is the eBrake button that I bought from SHIFTSOLUTIONSCO for around $22. I'll link them below if you want to pick one up. So make sure you put the spring back if you took it out like me. And now all you have to do is pretty much screw this back in. So this is the finishing product. It's kind of hard to see it on camera, the carbon fiber weave. But the eBrake's on, it's working perfectly fine. I thought the eBrake would screw in more, the button would screw in a little bit more because it looks like it's poking a little bit out, but I guess that's how it's supposed to be because I can't screw it no more, so I guess that's the end of the thread, but it's working perfectly fine. What I went ahead and did was push the eBrake boot back up so it's covering the hardware and everything. But if you're wondering, this is what the box looks like from SubiSpeed. Brake handle, FT86 and BRZ. Now this is for the WRX and STI as well, so there is everything if you want to see. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.